Hi, again, welcome to part 2 of hip mobility, again with our special guest, Dr. K.
Hi, I'm Dr. K. I'm a physical therapist at Life Clinic Physical Therapy Chiropractic in Plymouth, Minnesota.
For part 2 today, we're going to look at some multi-joint hip flexor stretches. We're going to look at a multi-joint hip flexor stretch. This is one that can be commonly used in dance, fitness, or pole. Katrina is going to be grabbing her shin. So she's attempting to stretch her hip flexor and her quad. With this, your ball of your hip tends to shear forward in the socket. So we're actually stretching a lot of the ligaments and capsules doing this option. If we overstretch that front of the hip capsule, our hip flexor turns into the safety net, and it acts as a little safety net to catch that hip. So it can't actually do its job to lift your leg and stabilize your core for beautiful dance movements. This can commonly be seen if dancers have this ripped out muscle right here popping out of their leg. It's called your tensor fascia lata because they're taking over the job of your hip flexor to help lift your leg up for your gesture movements. For an alternative multi-joint hip flexor stretch, we're going to start in the typical lunge position. Really important that Katrina thinks about lengthening her tailbone down first, and she's going to maintain that little bit of a posterior pelvic tilt before she shifts her body forward. After you found that nice pelvis position to start, you can add in that multi-directional joint movement with some trunk rotation to get a nice, yummy fascial addition to that stretch.
Thanks for tuning in again, guys. Stay tuned for part 3 of hip mobility, where Dr. Misty and I will look at dynamic stretches for the hip joint.